Hey, this is John with Brockworks with a follow-up tutorial about the 2x4 stud wall assembly that we created in a previous video. This time we're going to use Quantifier to see if we can add some pricing to these components and profiles so we can get a price as we draw or as we model. So in this example we have the simple 2x4 by 9-foot wall. It's 9-foot pre-cut studs on 16 inches on the center. We have a treated bottom plate and we have a double top plate of SPF plates. So we've already created our profile, so we're going to use our build assembly, and we're just going to go ahead and draw walls around here. Okay. All right. Right now, if we were to choose this group that we just created here and choose Quantifier, you'll see that there's no dollar amount there at all. All right, so let's just drop back. We're going to delete that for a second. We're going to come into these individual components, these studs and so forth. So let's go back to Quantifier. And we're going to pick this stud here. And I'm going to say that that stud is $4.50. We're going to select the checkbox, and it's assigned $4.50 to that object, to that stud. Okay, and then I'm going to choose the plates in here, and I'm going to choose the layer dollars icon. And in this case, that is on layer. Let me look at my entity info. Let me close out of that for a second. If I was click on entity info, you'll see that I've selected this layers 2x4 SPF. So in my layers dollars, I'm going to come in here and choose 2x4 SPF. The cost, I'm going to choose it on a per foot basis. And the cost of a 2x4 by 16 is like about $7 divided by 16. So let's just call that 50 cents per foot. And then click OK. All right, the treated plate, which is on layer 2x4 PT, I'm going to come in here by layer and choose the 2x4 PT. And also we're going to go by the foot. And in this case, a 2x4 treated is roughly on a per foot basis about 60 cents per lineal foot. Okay, so we'll click OK to that. So now we've assigned a price for each of these things. All right, so now we can go back to our assembly and let's build that same wall assembly again and go around and hit all the corners. This time when we select it and we go back to Quantifier, we see that it's $405 in there for the studs and the plates. So we get a nice quick estimate. Now we need to add, sales tax, waste, things like that. But that gets the idea. Thanks for watching.